Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to make Qabuli Pulao. Qabuli Pulao is a basmati rice dish and is normally made with lamb or chicken. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious dish with chicken. And it is topped with shredded carrots, raisins, and sliced almonds. This delicious dish is very well known in Afghanistan and the highlight of every dining table. And you can find this dish in any Afghan restaurant menu, and normally you find this on top of the menu. So it is very famous and well known. A lot of you like the dish, the rice dish, vegetables and chicken that I made a few weeks ago, and thank you so much for your comments and your feedback. So that's why I would like to share this recipe with you guys, since you guys love that rice, chicken and vegetable dish that I made earlier. So if you haven't seen that yet, I will leave a link below in the description box, and also I'll put a link in the info box somewhere up here so you can click on it and you can watch. Before I start, I just want to thank all my subscribers, and I want to welcome all my new subscribers to my channel. Thank you so much for your love and support. Let's get started and cook this delicious dish. For this recipe, you need 5 cups of basmati rice, washed a few times and soaked for at least 30 minutes before cooking it. You need 1 whole chicken cut in pieces, 2 cups store-bought shredded carrots. You can find this in any local grocery store. I got it from Trader Joe's. 2 cups diced onions, 2 cups washed raisins, 1 cup olive oil, 1 cup sliced almonds, 2 tablespoons cumin, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon cardamom and 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 can, which is about 16 ounces of tomato sauce. Put a generous amount of water in a deep pan and add salt to it and bring it to a boil. Drain the rice and add it to the boiling water and boil for 5 to 6 minutes. The rice is ready now. Drain and set it aside. In a large skillet, add olive oil and then add your diced onions on low to medium heat and saute your onions for about 3 to 5 minutes. Add garlic. Add your chicken and saute it for a good 12 to 15 minutes or longer until it is tender. Add tomato sauce for color and flavor. Add 2 cups of water and let it cook for another 6 to 7 minutes. Take the chicken out and put it in a different pot and set it aside. Add cumin. Add rice gently and make sure to coat it evenly with the sauce until the color of rice changes to brown. Place the chicken around the rice in that circle. Preheat your oven to 270 Fahrenheit and cover the rice with foil and then cover with the lid and place it in the oven and cook for 30 to 40 minutes. This is the remaining sauce from the chicken. I don't want to waste this, so I drizzle more olive oil into it and then add carrots, raisins, sugar, and cardamom and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then at the very end, a couple minutes before serving it, add sliced almonds and mix it all together. Now add almonds. Fluffy, the chicken is very tender and juicy, and I smell the cardamom and the cumin and carrots and raisins give it a very good sweetness and a very good flavor. Honestly, this is absolutely delicious. Please try this recipe and let me know about your experiences. Let me know how you make my recipes and leave a comment down below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up if you like this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.